So, first up we have a USB Type-C cable. Then, a color calibration factory report. Following that, we have a user manual which unfolds to be quite a big read. The first half has all the information regarding the initial setup. Now we have the base for the monitor, and I quite like the red accent near the bottom. Then we have the supporting neck, which connects the monitor to the base. Here's the power cable, and now the monitor screen. Assembling the monitor is a very simple process. First, place the monitor face down on some protective covering. Now you'll need the neck. Align the two hooks on the square face of the neck with the two holes in the monitor shown here. You should hear a click once it's locked in place. Now get the base, and align the shiny metal part with the bottom of the neck. Push it into place, and then secure the screw at the bottom with a screwdriver. The monitor is now unboxed and assembled.